Ford is encouraging its customers to 3D print new accessories for the company's new 2022 Maverick truck. This week, Ford released CAD files of the Maverick's storage area under the rear seats and also for its slotted accessories called the Ford Integrated Tether System fits. There are a total of 8 fit slots in the vehicle, 1 behind the center console where a cup holder would normally go in many vehicles and 7 under the rear seat bench. It's designed to be modular, allowing customers to order a set of accessories to fit different needs, like storage dividers to separate cleats and footballs or grocery bag hooks. The company sells a fits accessory kit for $50 that's available when building and pricing the vehicle, which includes a rear cup holder, cable organizer, bag hooks, trash can, and dividers. The lucky ones who bought the compact truck early, it is now widely sold out, got creative with the slots, designing in 3D printing their own fits accessories and putting them up for sale like a dog water bowl and a vape holder. If you have a 3D printer, some design knowledge, and a 2022 Ford Maverick, then you can check out Ford's Fits 3D printing page for the files. Just make sure you're not using PLA filament, as I personally found out the hard way and ended up with a warped accessory bin when I left my car out in the sun. And hey, if it annoys you that Ford doesn't just include those rear center console cup holders in the Maverick as standard, remember there's still the pull-out armrest cup holders in the XLT and Lariat trims and also the door cubbies. And be thankful that it's not as bad as Tesla selling a $150 rear cup holder strip for early Model S releases.